Welcome to the CEBE Training Level 3 Security Management Diploma presentation. Today, we are here to introduce you to a comprehensive program that aims to equip individuals with the necessary knowledge and practical skills to excel in the field of security management. In an increasingly complex and interconnected world, security management plays a crucial role in safeguarding organizations, assets, and people. The CEBE Training Level 3 Security Management Diploma is designed to provide you with a deep understanding of the fundamental principles and theories that underpin effective security management. Throughout this program, you will embark on a journey to explore key concepts, best practices, and emerging trends in security management. You will learn to identify and assess security risks in various environments, develop and implement strategies to mitigate those risks, and manage security operations with confidence and efficiency. The program is structured into 10 comprehensive modules, each covering essential aspects of security management. In the introductory module, you will gain an understanding of the principles and concepts that form the foundation of security management. You will explore the roles and responsibilities of a security manager and familiarize yourself with relevant legal and regulatory frameworks. Moving forward, you will dive into risk assessment and analysis, where you will learn to identify vulnerabilities and conduct thorough risk assessments. Armed with this knowledge, you will develop risk management strategies to proactively address security challenges. The importance of strategic planning cannot be overstated. In the Security Planning and Strategy module, you will learn to formulate objectives, develop comprehensive security plans, and implement effective security measures and controls. You will also delve into the establishment of security policies, procedures, and protocols, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. In today's digital age, technology plays a vital role in security management. The module on technology and tools for security management will familiarize you with various security systems, such as surveillance, access control, and alarm systems. Additionally, you will gain insights into managing cybersecurity and protecting sensitive data. Crisis management and emergency response are critical skills for security managers. Through this program, you will learn to develop emergency response plans, implement crisis management strategies, and conduct drills and exercises to enhance preparedness. Ethics and legal considerations are paramount in security operations. You will explore the ethical dimensions of security management and gain an understanding of legal frameworks and regulations that guide your actions. Privacy, confidentiality, and human rights will also be emphasized in this module. As security managers, effective communication and collaboration are vital skills. The module on stakeholder engagement and communication will teach you how to build relationships with stakeholders, communicate effectively, and manage public relations during security incidents. Incident management and investigations are integral to security operations. You will develop skills in incident response, conducting investigations, and reporting and documenting security incidents. The knowledge gained in this module will empower you to handle security incidents with confidence and professionalism. Leadership and management skills are crucial for success in the security field. The final module of this program will focus on leadership styles, team building, personnel management, and career advancement opportunities in security management. Throughout the program, your learning will be assessed through various methods, including written examinations, practical exercises, projects, and group discussions. These assessments are designed to evaluate your theoretical knowledge, application skills, critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and communication and collaboration skills. The CEBE Training Level 3 Security Management Diploma is typically completed over a period of 6 to 12 months, allowing you to learn at your own pace while ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. In a nutshell, the CEBE Training Level 3 Security Management Diploma offers a robust and dynamic curriculum that prepares you for a successful career in security management. By enrolling in this program, you will acquire the necessary expertise to analyze security risks, develop effective strategies, and manage security operations in diverse contexts.